What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your girl Jay, and we are here at Taco Cabana. And the kids decided to get some nachos, and I got a Cabana bowl. Cabana bowl, nachos with beans, and this. Can I put this on? What up, so I can scoop this out. You don't like cream cheese?
What's this, Mom?
Oh, you don't like cream cheese?
See?
Yeah, you.
That's jalapeno.
I mean, that's not.
I said cream cheese.
That's not cream cheese.
Well, cheese. What is it called?
Sour cream.
You like sour cream?
No.
What? Can I have yours?
Mama.
You said no, you can have it.
No, I didn't. I said duh.
Close enough. Can I share mine, Mama? This is my Cabana bowl and my nacho. I said Cabana bowl. I'm sorry. And let's try. I'm trying to get everything on there. My beans too. My sour cream and
to get this. Arlo's going to drop back to pass. And he throws it. It's going to be incomplete. Here comes a penalty flag. Maybe on 4th and 1 second to throw the ball. Pass wasn't the average. Red zone early in the first half. Just watch as he makes contact. I think he grabbed a little bit of the jersey. And I think a little bit of the initial contact is what the officials see. Marcus Freeman's that line.
I need me a check. It's butter.
Mama.
It was a spoon. I'm gonna fall. He messing that stuff. Oh, eat. Stop being rude.
That was not funny.
You recording herself.
Huh?
You recording herself. She's recording you. She recording herself. I feel it. I told her she recording you.
Mama.
She's doing a mukbang.
Why you like,
Thanks for munching with us.
Mom, you mean but you was showing the camera was on you most of the time.
She said it was me most of the time, but
Thanks for mentioning me. I'm not done. So they can munch with me for a little while. Hello, munchers. So good. I need some chips. That's big.
what?
No. It's mine. No. Tell the dude to stop asking for my food.
Bro, I didn't even ask for your food. Go on, dog.
This is big. Let me take my bite. That's too much. No.
What are you saying no for?
My mama got a margarita. Mom, you already put the liquor stuff in it?
You just what that?
you reckon you throw all this trash away?
My mama got a margarita. Oh!
Now a margarita to wash it all down. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.